Good morning, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. Last week, Nifty made an all-time high, which is 15,460 levels. So the expectation is bullish. All the Nifty 50 stocks are performing well, but Nifty has made a bearish, sharp pattern in the weekly chart. So what I'm expecting is a reversal, a healthy retracement, which would give a boost up on the further movement. So coming week, I will not be highly bullish on the index side. I will be focusing on stock specific actions and cash calls. So it's better to be hedged positions or call rating options with on the index side and avoid naked buy options in the index call or put options. So my focus will be on the cash side. So the healthy retracement levels are 0.382, 0.5 and 0.618, which are these levels, which is close to 14,000, 15,142, 14,960 levels. As per the open interest data, Nifty is having heavy support at 15K and 15,100 levels, but the reversal levels are uh, shown in the harmonic patterns. Above, if you see the open interest on the resistance side, resistance is at 15,500 and 16,000 levels. So coming to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty also formed a bearish pattern. So if we see on the weekly chart, like on the day chart, there may be a reversal soon. Also, it is making a rising wedge pattern in the 1 hour chart. So rising wedge is not a healthy pattern. So I'm expecting a reversal or fall from here. So which would be good for a healthy retrace. Like a healthy move above. So coming to open interest data, it seems 34,500, 35,000 is acting as a good support. 35,500 and 36,000 is having a huge resistance on the upside. So again, on the index side, Bank Nifty index side, I will be on the hedged positions or sell options, not on the naked buy. So I will be keenly focused on stock specific actions for the coming week. So coming to the stock specific actions, let's focus on all the heavyweight index. So coming to Reliance, so Reliance made a bullish butterfly pattern. So if we see the next resistance is at 2098 levels. So sustaining above that, the market made retest to 0.618, which is 2161, and sustaining above this 22 double two triple two seven triple two double 230 levels, market may retest. Market may retest this 2300 levels, which is also a reversal level. So here I am expecting this bullish pattern to continue for the coming weeks, and then it would reverse around 2300 levels. So this time frame is maximum 3 to 4 weeks. As you know, I had mentioned in the previous video why Reliance is bullish and what are all the positive cues for that particular script. So this script is highly bullish. Concentrate on these levels: 2098, 2160, and above 2230. Yes, 2230. High chances for 2300 levels, and above 2300 or close to 2300 levels, I'm expecting a retracement. IndusInd Bank. Let me go to the day chart. So IndusInd Bank, I am expecting a reversal around 1094 levels. So currently the stock is at 1039. The stock is bullish as of now. It may move upside and close to 1084 levels. It will take a retracement levels or reversal. HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank above 1505, 1505. These levels, the next target will be 1527, and in a couple of weeks it will retest 1600 levels, which is also a reversal or retracement levels. So HDFC Bank is bullish, IndusInd Bank is bullish, Reliance is bullish, Kotak Bank. So all these are weekly time frames. Please note that. So Kotak Bank above 1840 levels, 1870 and 1900 levels will come. Infi, Infosys is bullish. I'm expecting a reversal around 1450 levels. Currently the stock is at 1405. So above 0.618 levels, the stock will move, have a quick move and a good support at these levels to till 1450 levels. Hero Motoko. So I had chosen only the heavyweights in the Nifty 50 because the stock is because Nifty is at all-time high. So sustaining above 3010 levels, the stock tried to move above this level but could not sustain. So sustaining about these levels, the next would be 3075 and stock may reverse around 3400 levels. So currently the stock is bullish. Yes, now you can see this clearly. So the next target will be sustaining about that 3015 levels. Go long above this 3015 levels. The next target will be 3081 and above this 3186. And sustaining about the 0.5 retracement levels, the next target is 3277. So the stock is bullish. Hero Motoko is bullish. Asian Paint. So Asian Paint is in reversal levels. It has to sustain above 2950 levels, but it is actually at the reversal level. The stock may expect we may expect a reversal, a kind of retest on the breakout levels, which is close to 2845 to 2800 levels. So the stock may retest these levels and it may start moving or it may come below this to the 0.5 or 0.382 retracements. SBIN is made a shark-like pattern. So I'm expecting a reversal around 4,440 levels. Currently the stock is bullish. So please note this level. TCS. So TCS is bullish. If you see, stocks tried to close above 30 3,150 levels, sorry, but it could not sustain above that. So sustaining above 3170, long above that, the first target will be 3,180, and the next will be 3,221 levels. The stock is bullish, and I'm expecting a reversal around 3,310. So it has a lot of room upside. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is exactly at the reversal levels. So that is what it is unable to sustain there. It has made a downside pattern. It has made a doji kind of pattern in the last week. So these are all as per harmonic patterns. So what the stock may do is like retest these levels 0.618, 0.5 retracement, and it may start moving upside. So on ICICI Bank, I am neutral to like moderate to neutral, yes, mild negative on this. Maruti, again has made a bullish pattern. So the expectation is above the 0.618 retracement levels, which is 7,048. The stock will test 7,200 levels, and above that 7,400 levels. The reversal levels are 8,100. So more room upside. So the stock is bullish. So these are all the picks, especially from the heavyweight index. These are all heavyweight index stocks. So these are all the expectations for the coming, like a forecast for the coming weeks, not only for the coming week, this week. It is an expectation for all the coming weeks. So if you have any comments or any suggestions, and if this content helps you, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I will come up with another video on the momentum stocks for tomorrow. Thanks, guys.